Good design is not just about how things look, it's about how easily people can use them. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 core UI principles. With simple examples, you'll see how these principles make design easier to understand and more effective. First, we have consistency. Consistency means keeping similar elements and behaviors involved throughout an interface. This ensures users understand how things work and learn the interface faster. For example, in this design, you can see buttons, icons following the same style, size, spacing, and color. This makes it clear how to interact without second guessing. Consistency builds familiarity, reduces the learning curve, and helps users quickly understand how things work across the different screens. Hierarchy organizes content so users know what to focus on first and guide them through tasks. For example, here you can see heading is larger and bolder and subheadings are slightly smaller and easy to scan. Even spacing, contrast guide the eye naturally. Hierarchy organizes and ranks UI elements by importance using size, weight, color, or placement. This helps users know what to look at first and guide them through tasks, which reduces cognitive load, makes scanning easier, and ensures that users notice the most important information first. Proximity groups related elements together by placing them close to each other. For example, in this product card, the image, title, price, and button are grouped together so users instantly know they belong to the same product. In the navigation menu, related links like home, product, about, contact are placed side by side, making them easy to find. Proximity creates clear relationships between elements. It makes layout easier to scan, reduce confusion, and helps users complete tasks faster. Contrast uses differences like color, size, or weight to make elements stand out. For example, in this delete confirmation, the red button draws attention because it's critical. And in pricing section, the highlighted plan stands out with darker background, guides user to the recommended choice. Contrast improves readability, ensures accessibility, and directs attention to the most important action on the screen. That's a quick breakdown of 4 core UI principles. Applying these will make your design cleaner, easy to use, and more professional. If you found this helpful, check out my other videos of more UI basics and Figma tutorials. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.